Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an Evergreen and Holly Christmas kit, and it's actually an online event. I recently participated in Crop and Create Delivered, where Vicki Boutin was a teacher, and I've been to many of Vicki Boutin's in-person events where she participated with Crop and Create. She's light and fun, and she's just so entertaining and talented that when she offered a Christmas class, I decided to sign up. So I'll actually read this to you. It says, "Hello there, VBoo crew. Here it is, the Evergreen and Holly Holiday Extravaganza kit. It's a big one. The dates for the event are December 2nd to 4th. There's a private Facebook group, and then she does videos and she walks you through a number of classes for layouts, 12 by 12, cards, and an album. And this is why I signed up. Every year I do a December daily, and I just needed a little kickstart this year. I've been doing them for so many years that I'm kind of looking for a little motivation and inspiration to do something different, and Vicki is very good at that. So I decided to go ahead and get her Evergreen and Holly Collection Extravaganza kit so that I could create my December daily or December occasional. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this year with it. But regardless, I really love making those albums. I really love mini albums, but I just need something different this year. So I thought this class would provide me with that. So not only do you get all the materials that you'll need to make everything, and this actually looks like it's got, oh wow, speaking of December dailies, so this will be perfect because it has all of the chipboard numbers for every day. So that's already fantastic. There is a set of stamps there. There's some fun. Ooh, I love it. 2022. Now that is great. There's a little charm. That is amazing. So that we can create a little dangle that must be going off the side of our album. Memories. That is really nice. And then inside here is everything that comes in the kit. I am in Canada, as is Vicki. So that's nice to be able to support Canadian. In fact, I think she's in the same province as me as well. This is one of my favorite things. Enamel dots, these are beautiful. They have like all these different fun, like this pink right there. That is stunning. I wish this kit had a little bit more pink, just a little tiny bit more, but I'm actually surprised. It has more than I thought. I didn't think it had much pink at all. Oh, they're double-sided. Oh, but there's definitely some pink in there. I usually really like to scrapbook with pastel colors for Christmas, and I'm actually really impressed at the colors in this kit. When it was online, I thought they were, well actually it's interesting, there is a combination. So I thought they were more traditional kind of colors, and some of them are. So these ones are very traditional kind of colors, but when you look at comparison to these, you've got a few more little pinks and light blues in there as well. But I decided to get this because it's something different, because I'm so used to working with all the same sort of products and colors. I thought, let's venture out and do something different. And like, this kit is jam-packed. You have the entire collection and all of the goodies and embellishments and papers that you could ever desire. So we got both of the ephemera packs I showed you there. And this is a another ephemera pack, and this one is the like journal and tags ephemera pack. So they're really loaded. Like we have 50 pieces of ephemera in each of these kits, and then, or each of these packs, and then another 40 here, like 235 stickers here, all these chipboards. Oh, another set of stamps. Look at that. And they actually show you the backgrounds in color, so that's kind of fun to be able to see that. More ephemera. I didn't even realize like one collection could have this much ephemera. Oh, they don't. Oh, that's okay. I see what's going on here. So one of my absolute favorite companies to buy from in the past years is Crate Paper. And this is why these collections look a little bit more of the pastel-y kind of colors, is because these three products here were all Crate Paper, mittens, and mistletoe. So that is cute. Okay, that's funny. I love that she's incorporated those into this. I was wondering, like, how do we have so many ephemera packs? But that's why. So look at this amazing amount of ephemera that you get. You get 4 ephemera packs. That's spectacular. And I will point out that Vicki Boutin's ephemera packs have 50 each, and the Crate Paper ones have 40 each. So she really gives you a good bang for your buck, which I know she's a crafter, so she really wants to do everything she can to give you good value, and she knows what it's like to use the supplies personally. So she really designs things with maximizing your amount of products, especially for the amount of money that you pay. Okay, so then she has these beautiful stickers. And I wonder if these are her stickers. I know she always does her own handwriting, which is stunning. And I'm assuming that that is her pack there. It doesn't say, it just says joyful. So the joyful stickers, I'm assuming that's hers. Fun little mason jar, puffy stickers that have little pieces of glitter inside them. There are stencils in the shape of peppermint and snowflakes and poinsettias. So I'm sure she'll have us doing some fun things with those. These are really interesting. I don't know if it's showing up. Gosh, it's like they're foiled letters. Those are beautiful. One of my favorite things to use is the 12 by 12 chipboard packages. That is amazing. Sorry, I'm seeing this first time. This door is just screaming, make a shaker pocket out of me. You can punch these little windows out, use them as other decorations like stamps or something. They almost look like, I think they are actually meant to look like stamps. They are. And you could build a shaker out of that. I bet you she's got something fun in store for us here. Cute little birds, a car with presents, all kinds of words. I love houses. Like that is just spectacular. So that, we've got the 12 by 12 paper. There's chipboard stickers there. If I had to pick, like, out of all the products for embellishments, it would be chipboard stickers, ephemera, and enamel dots. Like, those are my go-to must-haves, but she's given us everything. So in here, oh, this is beautiful. Let's just start with this right here. La 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 and la la. Okay, it's a really beautiful metallic gold vellum. And then all of the papers. So let's just go through them one by one. We've got, I won't even name them all for you here. I'll just show you. This one's interesting with the envelopes on the back. Oh, there's 2 of those. I'm not used to unboxing in this way. So I think I will just have to sort of modify. That's a duplicate there. I'm showing you, well, there's some that have double pages. And I'm just showing you the both sides. And these are all the different papers. I really like this word one here. Oh, and this is beautiful on the back as well. Oh, good. I have two of them. Okay, I could immediately tell it was a change. Crepe paper and mistletoe. Oh, yes. I don't know. I'm just so drawn to those kind of colors. And there we go there. So that are all the double-sided papers. We also have all this cardstock that she has generously supplied to match. That's amazing. And then we also have half of one of the 12 by 12 paper pads. Oh, and this one has these fun cut aparts in there. So that is everything that came in this kit. I thought you might like to see if you're interested in subscribing. She does these kind of classes periodically, so even if you weren't interested in a Christmas one, at least you get the idea about what her kits are like. And I mean, the value for the amount of product that you get alone is worth it. And then she's also going to walk you through and give you step-by-step instructions on how to create all these wonderful things. So I've purchased a album that was pre-made, a mini album, there was like a Ukrainian fundraiser in our town. One of the fellow scrappy friends donated it to the fundraiser. I purchased it to support the fundraiser, and it was a Vicki Boutin mini album that was created through Crop and Create Delivered. And when I went away for a little one-day trip, I brought back the pictures, printed them out, put them all in place. It had so much space for photos, and it was like so fun and amazing to just sit down and add photos to an album that was already created. And that's why I decided, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do this year. For a little kickstart, a little jump to my December daily motivation that I need, I think Vicki Boutin's gonna be the perfect answer. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link down below to Vicki Boutin's website. If you're interested in buying this kit, there's probably still time to sign up because it's not till December 2nd and 4th. I don't know if I actually will do the courses live online at the time that they are airing, but they're saved there and you can always go back and then do them when it's convenient for you. So that's fantastic. I'll probably pop in and see what's going on at the very least. But anyway, I found her instruction really great during the Crop and Create, and I'm sure this is going to be fabulous as well. So anyways, the links will be down below for that. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.